Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Jupyter Notebooks are widely used for interactive computing and data analysis in Python. Sometimes, you may need to share your work or documentation in a more portable format, such as a PDF file. The nbconvert tool allows you to convert Jupyter Notebooks to various formats, including PDF. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to convert a Python notebook to a PDF file using nbconvert. Jupyter Notebook, ensure that you have Jupyter Notebook installed. You can install it using the following command. nbconvert, make sure you have nbconvert installed. You can install it using. If you don't have a Jupyter Notebook already, create a new one or use an existing one that you want to convert to PDF. Save your notebook by clicking on the save icon or using the Ctrl S, Windows/Linux, or Cmd S, Mac, keyboard shortcut. Close the notebook. Open a terminal or command prompt on your computer. Navigate to the directory where your Jupyter Notebook is located using the cd command. For example, run the following command to convert the notebook to PDF. Replace your _notebook.append with the actual name of your notebook. Once the conversion is complete, you'll find the generated PDF file in the same directory as your notebook. Congratulations! You have successfully converted a Jupyter Notebook to a PDF file. You can customize the PDF output using various options. For example, you can specify the output file name, include code cell input/outputs, and more. Here's an example. nbconvert supports multiple output formats. If you want to convert your notebook to a different format, replace PDF with the desired format, example HTML, slides, etc. Converting a Jupyter Notebook to PDF is a simple process using the nbconvert tool. This allows you to easily share your work with others in a more portable and universally readable format. ChatGPT. Jupyter Notebooks are popular tools for data analysis, coding, and documentation. Sometimes, it's necessary to convert these notebooks into more portable formats like PDF for easier sharing and presentation. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to convert a Jupyter Notebook to a PDF file using Python. To follow this tutorial, you'll need the following. Python installed on your system. Jupyter Notebook installed. nbconvert library, which can be installed via pip. You can use an existing Jupyter Notebook or create a new one. To create a new notebook, use the command. If you haven't installed nbconvert already, you can install it via pip, as mentioned in the prerequisites section. Now, let's convert the notebook to a PDF file using nbconvert. Here's an example Python script that demonstrates how to do this. Replace path/to/your/notebook.append with the path to your Jupyter Notebook and path/to/save/output.pdf with the desired output path for the PDF file. Save the above Python code in a.py file and run it using Python. This will execute the script and generate a PDF file from your Jupyter Notebook. Converting Jupyter Notebooks to PDF using Python can be achieved easily using the nbconvert library. This allows for convenient sharing and presenting of your analysis or code in a more portable format. Customization options are available to tailor the PDF output according to your preferences. ChatGPT.